Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this video I am going to show you how to create a customer. So if you remember, in last video we have done setup of a Stripe in nodejs. So if you are using your API or you just want to create any kind of function, you can proceed, but I'm just going to show you with the function like how to create customer. So I will just go create one function, create customer. Okay, then just use function. Here I will add all the steps. So I need one object that will contain our variable or all the data. So if you want to create a customer, so there are so many fields you can use. Either you can use address, balance, currency, default source, email, name, phone, whatever things you can create. So I'm just going to start with a small field. So param dot email equal to mike@gmail.com. okay, next I'm going to add one more parameter here, param dot name equal to Mike. And if you want to add more parameter, just come and see here. So I'm just going to add description so we can at least see. So param dot description like from node. Okay, so I have added this one, all things. So these are the parameter. Now we need to create customer. So if you notice here, already have done here Stripe. So just come here, you just Stripe dot. Now you have to use customer. Here we need to use create. So if you open here create, you will see first he will expect all the parameter, after that it will be the promise. Okay, so come here, I will just add my parameter. Then in option, what we will do, we'll just create one function. So it will be like our callback. So here you will get error or customer response. Okay, so what I will do, I will just come here, I will just use if condition. If in case of error, we need to know what was happened. So just use console dot log and just use error. Now you can use again like if customer, means like if it's successful, then what you have to do. So just use console dot log and you can give whatever message you want. So I'm just going to print here customer, and in case of you are not getting any response, so just use else. Console dot log something wrong. Okay, so if you notice here, I have added all the parameters, email, name, description. Then I'm using Stripe dot customers dot create. Here I'm adding all the parameter, and this will be our response. If it's error, it will show this one. If we'll get successful, so let's start this one. So if I will run, if you notice here, I'm not calling this function anywhere. So what we have to do, just come down and call this one. So I'm going to run. If I have done any kind of mistake, we will see the error. If it's successful, we'll also see it's showing success and object. So our response was, this was object. So we need to, if you want to see, we can use json.stringify or parse, we can do, but currently we have to just see like, okay, it is success. So how we can see? If you go to your Stripe dashboard and just click on customer, And here if you notice, we just created from the node. I'm having the more customer, that was like old customer. I'm also having tutorial in Java, so I'm also going with all this thing. So if you open this one, you can see name is Mike, this is email, okay, this is description, this we have done. And if you scroll down, you can see what was the event we created, and this was our post request. So if you scroll down, you can see this was our request data we have sent, and here we are just showing the object, right? Actually this object is this whole data. You can see, right? Object means customer, this is the ID. So every customer will have unique ID, and what is the balance, address, all things, whatever you have add descriptions you can see here. So if you want to fill all these things, you can go on request time, or you can update also. See, I just open this one, this customer ID, right? So this is unique. If you see here, you can notice also. So this was created, all the logs, everything are here. So I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe. Thank you guys.